Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about best exercises for your core. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. When most people think of their core, they automatically think abs. While your abs are a key component to the core, your core also includes your low back and hips as well. Your core is your center of gravity, and a strong core allows for stronger functional movement throughout the exercise and everyday life. Whether you realize it or not, you should be engaging your core constantly, whether you are doing a workout, standing in the kitchen cooking a meal, or sitting down at work. A strong core will help prevent injury and promote more efficient workouts overall. There is so much more to your core than having six-pack abs. Want to squat heavy? You need a strong core. Like to improve your balance? You guessed it, a strong core. Whatever your goals are, though, getting there means incorporating the best of the best abs exercises into your routine. Ensuring your core is strong and flexible will help you in the gym, playing sports, or just going about your daily business. A strong core will also help you maintain good posture and avoid issues like lower back pain. When it comes to training your core, don't just think sit-ups and crunches. Some of the most effective ways to build core strength are through compound movements, such as squats, deadlifts, shoulder presses, and pull-ups. Performed correctly, these exercises will help strengthen your core along with the rest of your body. Core strength exercises strengthen your core muscles, including your abdominal muscles, back muscles, and the muscles around the pelvis. Strong core muscles make it easier to do many physical activities. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Why you should train your core. From injury prevention to enhanced sports performance, there are many reasons to train your core. Here are some reasons a strong core will improve your posture. Core training can help you to stand a little taller. Men who took part in 3-hour-long Pilates sessions a week for 2 months saw significant improvements in postural stability tests. A strong core will help you build muscles in other areas. More interested in building big pecs than developing a strong core? Well, you're unlikely to be able to do one without the other. If you're a guy who wants a bigger chest but you've got a weak core, that's going to contribute to a forward pulling and a rounding of the shoulders. Core exercises will fix that rounding and give you the chest you've always dreamed of. Strong core will help you when playing other sports. Most people's deep core muscles aren't nearly as strong as they should be, while runners with weak deep core muscles are at an increased risk of developing low back pain. The low back pain runners suffer from the consequence of poor form caused by a weak core, which also has obvious downsides. The best core workouts to improve strength. Want to work your core right away? Here are 10 great moves you can do to build strength in your core whether you are beginner, intermediate or advanced. You can do core strength exercises on a carpeted floor or mat. Breathe freely and deeply during each core strength exercise. Focus on tightening your transversus abdominis, the deepest abdominal muscle, and the one you feel contracting when you cough. 1. Plank. Rest your forearms on the floor, with your elbows directly underneath your shoulders and hands facing forward, so that your arms are parallel. Maintain a neutral spine, and balance your weight on the balls of your feet and elbows. Check head, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles align in a straight line. Ensure the lumbar spine does not arch and hold the position. 2. Side plank. Lie on your left side with your knees straight. Lift your body, placing your weight on the left forearm and elbow. Place your right hand on your hip, or place it in the air until it's perpendicular to your torso, forming a T-shape with your body. Raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your ankles to your shoulders. Hold the position and repeat both sides. 3. V-sits. Lay in a supine position with feet, arms, and head 10 to 20 centimeters off the ground. Bend at the hips, and bring the head and torso toward the legs. Maintain a neutral spine position with an activated core. Return to starting position and repeat. 4. L-twists. Start in a supine position on the floor, with knees and hips bent at 90 degrees, arms out to sides, palms up. Activate core and slowly rotate knees towards the ground, keeping a 90 degrees angle at the hips and knees, and keeping the upper body in contact with the ground. Keeping shoulders stable, rotate as far as comfortable, and use obliques to return to the start position. Repeat another side. 5. Russian twists. Sit up straight with your legs bent at the knees and elevate your body, so that it creates an imaginary V shape with your thighs. Twist your torso to the right side until your arms are parallel with the floor. Hold the contraction for a second, and then move back to the starting position. Move to the opposite side performing the same movement. 6. Bicycle ab crunch. Lie flat on the floor and place your hands behind your head. Bring your knees in towards your chest, and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Straighten your right leg out to about a 45 degrees angle to the ground, while turning your upper body to the left, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee. Switch sides and do the same motion. 7. Dumbbell side bends. Stand up straight while holding a dumbbell in your left hand, and your right hand holding your waist. While keeping your back straight and your head up, bend only at the waist to the right as far as possible. Hold for a second and come back up to the starting position. Repeat on the left-hand side. 8. Dead bug. Lie face up with your arms extended toward the ceiling, and your knees bent 90 degrees and stacked over your hips. Slowly extend your right leg out straight, while simultaneously dropping your left arm overhead. Keep both a few inches from the ground. Squeeze your glutes and keep your core engaged, with your lower back pressed into the floor. Bring your arm and leg back to the starting position, and repeat on the other side with the opposite arm and leg. 9. Leg raise. Lie face up with your legs extended, and hands at your sides. Slowly raise your legs, keeping them together as straight as possible, until the soles of your shoes are facing the ceiling. Slowly lower your legs back toward the floor, without letting them touch the ground. Repeat. 10. Ab roll rollout. Hold the ab roller with both hands and kneel on the floor. Place the ab roller out in front of you, and slowly roll the ab roller out, stretching your body into a straight position. After a pause at the stretched position, start pulling yourself back to the starting position. Building a strong core is an important aspect of training, with core stability providing the foundation for optimal movement for the body. Our core bridges the body together, as it provides the connection between our lower and upper extremities. All motions are generated through the core, and it is essentially the driving force and base of support for the entire body. A strong, flexible core will help to prevent injuries, increase athletic performance, and improve postural imbalances, and of course, will help get your abs popping. You really should be engaging your core during every workout as well as everyday activities. Your core is your powerhouse and the key to overall fitness. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.